California. Today we have a T2 that is not starting. We first checked for spark, and we did have spark. We were suspicious of clogged fuel injector. We hooked a light up to make sure the ECU was communicating and sending a signal. With that flashing light, we see that ECU is sending the signal. So now we're not getting fuel. We are now cleaning the injector, just trying to make sure that it's free of debris. And in squirting some carb cleaner through there, we can see that we've cleared the injector. Now that we've cleaned the injector, we've zip tied it to the housing so that we can see if it's going to spray fuel out for us or not. And in our test, yes, we think that cleaning the injector now, we are good to go. So we're going to hook it back to the intake manifold and start this bike up. Okay, we're going to try to start this bike now. Injector is hooked back up. Let's see what we got.